Welcome back, guys. I'm Steve, and today we are in the Tech Room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be featuring the best gaming monitors in 2025. Monitors just keep getting better every year, and 2025 is no exception. If you're looking for sharper visuals, faster refresh rates, or just a smoother gaming setup, these screens are worth checking out. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. It's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time, so again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products featured. So let's get started. The fifth gaming monitor on our list is the Z Edge, priced at $149.99, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. This is a VA panel curved monitor, great for immersion. We're looking at 1080p Full HD on a 27-inch screen, which puts us at about 82 pixels per inch. Getting into that, you might see individual pixels territory if you sit close, but it's entry-level resolution that keeps your GPU running smooth without breaking a sweat. Here's where it gets spicy though. 280 Hz refresh rate with 1 millisecond MPRT. That's seriously fast. Perfect for competitive FPS games, where the high refresh rate makes up for the 1080p limitation if you're all about that smooth gameplay. The ultra-slim bezels look clean, 178-degree viewing angles are solid for a VA panel, and FreeSync support is clutch for AMD users. The eye care tech is actually useful for long gaming sessions too. For connectivity, you've got dual HDMI and dual DisplayPort, no complaints here, covers all your needs, whether on console or PC. Now let's be real, the main limitation is that 1080p at 27 inches isn't ideal for productivity or single-player cinematic games. This monitor shines in competitive gaming, where frame rates matter more than pixel density. Our team recommends this for competitive gamers on a budget, prioritizing speed over resolution. The fourth gaming monitor on our list is the GIGABYTE GS27, QC priced at $154.99, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. This 27-inch VA curved panel hits the perfect resolution balance at 2560 by 1440 QHD. That's about 109 pixels per inch, which looks crisp without destroying your GPU's soul. The 165 Hz refresh rate with overclock capability to 170 Hz gives you that competitive edge, while the 1 millisecond MPRT keeps things snappy for fast-paced gaming. Color-wise, you're getting 108% sRGB coverage with 8-bit color depth, so games and content look vibrant with decent accuracy. Plus, HDR-ready support for those compatible titles. The curved VA panel delivers those deep blacks we love, and FreeSync Premium handles variable refresh rates beautifully for AMD users. Connectivity is standard but solid, dual HDMI 2.0 and DisplayPort 1.4 with an audio jack, plus VESA mount compatibility if you want to get fancy with your setup. One thing you should know, VA panels inherently have slower pixel response times than IPS, so you might notice some ghosting in really fast motion scenes. Our team recommends this for gamers who want crisp 1440p visuals without breaking the bank. The third gaming monitor on our list is the ASUS TUF Gaming VG34 VQL1B, priced at $299.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. We're looking at a massive 34-inch curved VA panel running 3440 by 1440 WQHD resolution with that sweet 21:9 aspect ratio that transforms your gaming experience completely. The 1500 R curve wraps around your field of view perfectly, making you feel like you're actually inside the game world. At 165 Hz with ASUS's extreme low motion blur technology hitting 1 millisecond MPRT, you're getting competitive level performance in an ultra-wide format. The display HDR 400 certification adds some nice contrast boost for supported content, and both FreeSync Premium and Adaptive Sync compatibility means smooth gaming whether you're Team Red or Green. Connectivity is absolutely loaded, dual DisplayPort 1.4, dual HDMI 2.0 plus USB hub functionality, and thank God they included height adjustment, because that's crucial for a monitor this size. The variable overdrive feature automatically adjusts response times based on your frame rate, which is genuinely useful for maintaining consistent motion clarity. However, ultra-wide gaming comes with trade-offs. You'll need a seriously powerful GPU to push 3440 by 1440 at high frame rates. Many older games don't support 21:9 properly, so expect black bars or stretched images. And competitive esports titles often don't allow ultra-wide advantages in ranked play. Our team recommends this for immersive single-player adventures, sim racing, and productivity work where that extra screen real estate pays off big time. The second gaming monitor on our list is the MSI Optix AG321CR, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This one's interesting because it takes a different approach with a massive 32-inch curved V8 panel, but sticks with 1080p resolution. We're looking at 1920 by 1080 on a 31.5-inch viewable screen, which drops us down to about 70 pixels per inch. You'll definitely notice individual pixels pretty easily, but some people actually prefer this for competitive gaming, since everything appears larger and easier to spot. The 165Hz refresh rate with 1 millisecond response time keeps things smooth, and that 1500 R curve combined with the larger size creates serious immersion for racing games and single-player adventures. The stand is actually pretty solid with full ergonomic adjustments including height, tilt, swivel, and even pivot functionality, plus RGB lighting accents if you're into that gaming aesthetic. MSI's night vision feature is genuinely useful for spotting enemies in dark corners, and FreeSync Premium handles the adaptive sync duties nicely. Connectivity covers the basics with HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB 2.0 ports for peripherals. But here's the reality check. 1080p on 32 inches is rough for anything beyond gaming, text looks chunky, and you're essentially paying for size over pixel density. Our team recommends this for those who want that big screen gaming experience on a budget, prefer larger UI elements for competitive advantage, or primarily play controller-based games where you sit further back. The best gaming monitor on our list is the Samsung Odyssey G9, priced at $1,299.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This 49-inch monster basically replaces your entire dual monitor setup with one massive curved display. This thing rocks a 5120 by 1440 dual QHD resolution across 49 inches with an extreme 1000 R curve that literally wraps around your peripheral vision. We're talking 240 Hz refresh rate with 1 millisecond GTG response time. So you're getting competitive level performance in an ultra-wide format that's honestly mind-blowing. The VESA Display HDR 1000 certification means true HDR with 1000 nits, peak brightness, and that insane 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio that makes games look absolutely stunning. FreeSync Premium Pro handles variable refresh rates like a champ, and Samsung's Core Sync lighting creates this immersive ambient experience that extends your display colors into your room. The ergonomic stand handles the massive weight well with full height, tilt, and swivel adjustments, plus picture-by-picture and picture-in-picture functionality essentially turns this into a productivity powerhouse when you're not gaming. Now, the 49-inch width means you need a seriously deep desk, and some people find the extreme curve fatiguing for extended use. Plus, game compatibility can be hit or miss with this aspect ratio. Our team recommends this for sim racing enthusiasts, immersive single-player gaming, and content creators who want that dual monitor workspace without bezels. And there you have it, folks, the best gaming monitors in 2025. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Steve signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great.